husband.
And as your husband,
I will always be with you and support you
I will always be with you and support you.
in times of sickness and in times of health,
In times of sickness and in times of health,
in times of joy and in times of sorrow.
in times of joy and in times of sorrow.
I promise to love you completely,
I promise to love you completely,
to console and comfort you during difficult times,
to console and comfort you in difficult times,
to respect you and to protect you from harm,
to respect you and protect you from harm,
to honor you and to provide for your well-being,
to honor you and provide for your well-being,
to be truthful and honest with you,
to be truthful and honest with you,
and to cherish you
and to cherish
as long as we both shall
as
live.
long as we both shall live.
Are you going to keep the ring or are you going to put it on?
I'm going to put it on.
My life.
For the rest of your life.
Your life. His too.
My life.
As Terry and Fran have given themselves to each other by their vows, with the joining of hands and with the exchanging of rings in the presence of God, we want to know that I've had great pleasure in pronouncing Terry and Fran husband and wife. And with this pronouncement, I encourage you to seal the ceremony with a kiss and a hug. By the way, the rest of you out there can kiss and hug.